The security given for the release of a person in custody furnished by him or a bondsman, conditioned upon his appearance before any court as required under the conditions specified by law. A. Subpoena. B. Recognizance. C. Bail. D. Warrant. Answer: C. Bail. The process whereby the accused and the prosecutor in a criminal case work out a mutually satisfactory disposition on the case subject to court approval. A. Arraignment. B. Plea bargaining. C. Preliminary investigation. D. Trial. Answer: B. Plea bargaining. At what time may the accused move to quash the complaint or information? A. At any time before his arrest. B. Only after entering his plea. C. Any time before entering his plea. D. Monday morning. Answer: C. Any time before entering his plea. If the accused refuses to plead or make a conditional plea of guilty, what shall be entered for him? A. A plea of not guilty. B. A plea of guilty. C. A plea of mercy. D. A plea of surrender. Answer: A. A plea of not guilty. One of the following is an alternative circumstance. A. Insanity. B. Intoxication. C. Passion or obfuscation. D. Evident premeditation. Answer: B. Intoxication. When the act committed is a crime, but for reasons of public policy and sentiment, there is no penalty imposed. A. Impossible crimes. B. Aggravating circumstance. C. Absolutory causes. D. Complex crimes. Answer: C. Absolutory causes. Ways and means are employed for the purpose of trapping and capturing the lawbreaker in the execution of his criminal plan. A. Misfeasance. B. Entrapment. C. Inducement. D. Instigation. Answer: B. Entrapment. The failure to perform a positive duty which one is bound to. A. Negligence. B. Imprudence. C. Omission. D. Act. Answer: C. Omission. Whenever more than 3 armed male factors shall have acted together in the commission of a crime. A. Gang. B. Conspiracy. C. Band. D. Piracy. Answer: C. Band. Deliberate planning of the act before execution. A. Treachery. B. Evident premeditation. C. Ignominy. D. Cruelty. Answer: B. Evident premeditation.